Chablis is like a brand in the Burgundy wines. We produce mainly Petit Chablis and Chablis. We have also a small plot of vine of Bourgogne Pinot, and we produce also some Premier Cru and Grand Cru. The terroir is really different from the rest of Burgundy. We have an estate in Lignerelles, which is in the north part of the area of Chablis, called Cumin region, with a lot of sedimentary limestone, and that gives a very nice character to the Chablis wines, with a lot of minerality and freshness. So we do all the winemaking in a stainless steel tank. We intervene as less as possible on the wines. We want to have wines which represent the terroir. The purpose for us is to have this kind of minerality and aging at the same time.